Alyssa's doing great today. She got back to the ICU room, I think at about 3:30 in the morning, so we got to see her about 4 in the morning, and she's sedated with breathing tube and stuff, but the doctors tell us that she's doing really good. All her vitals and stuff are right on target, and it's looking good at this point. It's still very early to tell, but yep, we're very happy for her. She deserves to live so much, you know. She enjoys life more than anybody. I'm so happy for her. Yeah, it's awesome. We're so grateful to Alyssa's heart donors family. Yeah, without them, Alyssa wouldn't be here. Her heart that she had, her donor heart, it was failing. It was getting worse all the time, and it was so sad to just see her in pain and going downhill, because she's just so full of life, and she's such a wonderful girl. If you knew her personally, she's always kidding around, and her goal is always to make people smile and make them happy. That's just her personality. She's just an awesome girl. I'm so happy for her to get this second chance, the gift of life. Thank you so much for being a donor. We sure appreciate it. Organ donation is so important. It has saved so many lives, and yeah, Alyssa's a good example of that. When she was 8 years old, she was always healthy, and then suddenly she needed a heart transplant. And we hadn't really thought a whole lot about organ donation until that time, but yeah, one more day and she went to survive, they told us. But now, in 2010, she needed a kidney transplant too, which Lisa donated one of her kidneys, so that was awesome. And now, in 2013, she was in desperate need of another heart transplant. And without organ donors, Alyssa wouldn't be here today. And she just loves life, and we're so happy for her. Yeah. So please consider organ donation, everybody. I just hate to see people waste their organs when they could be saving lives with them. When we talked with Alyssa before her transplant, it seemed like the main thing that she wanted was to just get outside. She loves the great outdoors, and that was like her biggest thing, because she's been cooped up in the hospital here almost 8 months now, since November, when she had 2.5 hours of CPR. So that was so scary. I thought she was going to have brain damage and with that much CPR, but she survived it, and she's had a real tough time with compartment syndrome on her right leg. That's been so painful for her every day, and she'll continue to fight that, but she'll get through it. At least they were able to save her leg, and for a while there they were talking amputation, so we're so happy, because she's a dancer. Her whole childhood she was a dancer, and so she'll be loving to get out and dance again, but the biggest thing was just to be outside like a normal person.
Thank you,
everybody, for all your support and prayers.